Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make croissants step by step. First, let's prepare our dough. Combine 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 150 milliliters of water, 10 grams of fresh yeast, 60 grams of sugar, and 10 grams of salt. Mix until just combined, then knead for about 2 minutes. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. While it chills, prepare your butter block, approximately 8 ounces, shaping it into a 6x 6-inch square. Now for the first turn, which is crucial for those flaky layers. Roll your chilled dough into a 12x 12-inch square. Position the cold butter block in the center, rotated 45 degrees. Fold the dough corners over the butter, ensuring it's fully enclosed. Gently roll this package into a long rectangle, about 24 inches by 8 inches. Then, fold it into 3 equal sections, like a letter. Wrap and chill for 30 minutes. Let's continue building those beautiful layers. Take your dough from the fridge and repeat the rolling and folding process for the second turn. Roll it out to 24 inches by 8 inches, then fold into thirds. Chill for another 30 minutes. Then, perform the third and final turn. This meticulous process creates the delicate layers that define a perfect croissant. After the third turn, refrigerate the dough for at least 2 hours or even overnight. Finally, it's time to shape and bake your croissants. Roll the chilled dough to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Cut it into triangles, roughly 4 inches wide at the base and 8 inches long. Starting from the wide base, gently roll each triangle towards the point to form your croissant shape. Arrange them on a baking sheet, proof until visibly puffy, then bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown and irresistible.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.